I'm an island boy. Island boy. I'm an island boy. I'm going to get you guys some clips. We're doing another vlog. It's Saturday. I'm back in my hometown. I love y'all. Let's go.
Autographed by Buzz Aldrin. All our 3D printed stuff. We make it right here on the Ender Pro 3. Got the some of the plants. Some of these are fresh lettuce growing. First maybe 50 or so. All unopened, sealed, completely sealed. These are probably PSA, like if I was to get them graded, like a PSA 8 or 9, which is probably about $1,000 a piece. This one can possibly have a Charizard. This one could potentially have a Charizard because it's free and open, and this one cannot because it's not heavy. I weighed them, so this one is 1 gram less than the other two.
So these two for sure have hollows?
Yeah, for sure have hollows. All original artwork on this thing, so you can see the Nike logo on there. It's just an asset that they've created. The ceiling kind of moves.
What are we gonna do, Rhea?
Rhea's a good doggy.
Justin was just showing me some NFTs, and now we're gonna go get lunch.
He prefers a bar situation.
I have one of those.
Fish and chips. Yeah, you can. And the pizza.
The John Doe.
That looks good.
All right, guys, we just left Boondoggles right on the water.
It's a little foggy out.
I think we got next maybe dessert somewhere. Let's go. We're gonna figure something out.
Let's get this truck going. Let's get it warmed up.
It's a little chilly out and a little misty, but we're making it a good day here.
We just found the secret spot. SEABROOK Waffle Company. Ooh.
Closed Sundays, open now. All right. Ice cream, whipped cream, maple syrup,
I told you I didn't want any, but I will eat some. It's fine. It's fine. I know you can't do it all by yourself anyway.
On a hot summer day, SEABROOK Waffle Co. is amazing, even on a cold day.
Got some bananas in there.
Oh yeah.
It's so good. Thank you.
It's so good.
What's up, guys? Just grabbed a bunch of drinks. I saw this sign. Kind of reminded me I needed to vlog. I'm on the way to Galveston to see Cody. Let's go. We just made it to Galveston. Let's go. Galveston College. That's a pretty cool lighthouse statue.
In front of you.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Wow.
Maybe these could be like eyes, maybe.
No problem. We're going to take all of those out of the way so we'll bring those closer.
We appreciate it. Yeah, we don't need salt and pepper for
Yes, don't need
Andy, you stay over here. Takes just piss to my camera. We got some technical difficulties.
The father-son in their elements.
Oh, Dylan, it occurred to me I did have a wrench.
Both super manly.
This is from my pickup.
Each generation is as manly as the next generation.
Look at this, guys. We just made it. Beautiful beach house with the Coaster. Just had breakfast. Now about to go take the bikes out. Let's go.
Oh, I need to see recording. I'm embarrassed, bro. I'm sorry. That was extreme, man.
salty. And we're back. I know we were a little all over the place. We're at Justin's and Clear Lake. Now we're in Galveston and Austin. We'll keep the videos coming. Go subscribe. Just had a lot of fun hanging out with Levi. Officially out of Galveston now. All right, I'm heading back to Austin. I'll make another video soon. Thank y'all for watching. Stay healthy. Love y'all. Peace.